Hello, reception class. Here is a little video to explain our English lesson for today. So for today's lesson, you will need a pencil and the sheet that you can see on the screen that says ornithomimus, true or false. So if you just pause me and get those things ready now, please. This week in our English lessons, we are reading a non-fiction book. This non-fiction book, which is called I Love Dinosaurs. So yesterday we learned a little bit about two different dinosaurs. You learned about a Stegosaurus and a Triceratops. And today we're going to be using this book to learn about another dinosaur. And we're going to be learning about a Ornithomimus. Can you say that, reception class? It's very tricky to say. Ornithomimus. Right, this week we have learned that when you read a non-fiction book, you don't need to start at the beginning and go all the way through. You can choose where you want to start reading from. And to help you choose, you have a contents page. So I have said that today we're going to be learning about an Ornithomimus. So let me find that chapter. So if I look down here, oh, I can see it there. Ornithomimus is on page 18. So I'm going to go to page 18 of our book now. Right, reception, we're going to have a look at the page about the Ornithomimus. And I'm just going to check. I am at page 18. I can see a little 18 in the bottom corner. And we did talk about on Monday how non-fiction books have headings. And we can see the heading just here, Ornithomimus. So I'm just going to read this page to see what we can find out about them. Some dinosaurs, like Ornithomimus, were fast runners. Ornithomimus was an ostrich dinosaur. It was very similar in size and shape to the bird of today, the ostrich. It could reach speeds of 80 kilometers an hour when running. Ornithomimus had strong muscles in its hips and legs to take long, quick strides. The lower legs and feet were long, slim, and light. Ornithomimus had no teeth. Its mouth was like a beak, pecking and snapping at leaves or lizards. So that's like a Stegosaurus, isn't it? We did learn that yesterday, that the Stegosaurus had a mouth like a beak. Ornithomimus could not run as fast as an ostrich or the fastest runner today, the cheetah. Right, reception. Now I have a little challenge for you. So on this piece of paper, you have got different sentences. What you need to do is read sentences with a grown-up and decide if that sentence is true or false. So, is it something that's true about the Ornithomimus? Did you just hear that bit about the Ornithomimus in the page that I read? Or is it made up? Is it false? Is it not true? So what I'm going to do, reception classes, I'm just going to leave this page of the book up so that you can have another read through of it with a grown-up at home. And as you are reading, you can try and complete those true or false sentences. So you read the sentence. If it's something true about an ornithomimus, you tick it. If it's made up, if it's false, then you do a cross. So I'll just keep this on for a few minutes. So actually you can just pause it on this page now, can't you? So you can take your time to read it. Right, reception class, that is our English lesson done for today. If you've had a try at that work, if you can take a picture in and send me on Seesaw, I would love to see. And I can't wait to see lots of you on our Phonics Zoom tomorrow. Well done for working so hard. Bye, reception class.